Hey, what's up, guys? So this is unboxing, but except for the first part of it, I already took the box out, stuff out of the box. So I get this on my doorstep. This is an RACKEM S4. It's from this company, RACKEM. They make racks, they make bags, stuff like that. And so, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So this is for the stand on, for vride 2. Rack them on the side. And I'll put it together and I'll show you kind of along the way. Here's the opening, and this goes inside there. So it just comes out through the opening. Here's the vride 2. I just need to take this mulch plate off first to put that on there. Alright, so I had to remove this thing. It's pretty dirty, so I'll clean all that out. And so obviously this, you gotta drill this in here, and this goes on here like that. So it comes attached with all these. So this is supposed to go on the top. As you dump the bag, this is supposed to make it easier. So as you can see, there's these holes right here. You're supposed to line up these holes and kind of screw it together with this Allen wrench. So, all right, I got this top part put on. All I did was just a few bolts and stuff. Just took a few minutes. So see, pick it up like that. And this one, now I'm gonna take some time to put that one on there. This is just the opening. So it kind of just secures here, and then there's just this opening here. So, all right, so I had to remove this thing. It's pretty dirty, so I'll clean all that out. And so obviously this, you got to drill this in here, and this goes on here like that. All right, so I got to figure out where I want to put this thing. See that? The opening? See that opening? This is down here. This is supposed to lock in there like that. It's supposed to attach. So I got to figure out where the opening is, and where to drill into the deck. So this will stay. See, and it clears the wheel a little bit, so all the grass and all the leaves go inside there. So I gotta see the blades are right there. So I gotta make some holes. I gotta make sure I know where I want it to be, and then make some holes, and then do a trial and error on how it works. Alright guys, there it is. See, it's barely beside the wheel on this particular model. The 36 stand-on, the wheels, the deck and the wheel are around the same. Sometimes the 48s and the 52s and all that stuff, the deck is way out, so this fits a lot easier. But as you can see, this handle is where you dump it. You pick it up to dump it, and see how this fits on there. I had to kind of line it up to see how I wanted it, where it's really, really close to the deck. I'll show you real quick. See? Drilled into the deck, and I still have yet to tighten that bolt, put a nut on there, and I haven't put one there, but I'm just checking to see if it's good. So as you can see, this, I have it with one hand right here. Stick this carefully. See, it's on there. And supposedly this weighs about 33 pounds. can dump it from here. And it just picks up like that, sets down. And of course there's the opening there too. Take it off one more time. See that? See that? And this is pretty durable. Supposedly with fertilizer and all that kind of stuff, it doesn't rust. So this is made of aluminum. And this one right here, this particular one is $4.79. This company, they have some that are a whole lot cheaper. It comes with the, you know, the all the accessories. But this particular model, the stand-on 36, like I said, the deck is right there where the tire is, which is a big problem. They have some that are on their website that are more than $100 cheaper than this one, and they're made out of steel, and they're about a few pounds heavier. So I had to have this one special because it, just because of this problem. A lot of times the deck is farther out than the tire is, so you can, they have several models to choose from, and this company, of course I'm not sponsored by them, but the company, they want you to call them before you order just to make sure everything's right on it. And this was shipped in like 3-4 days, something like that. I ordered and it just came in the mail. So there it is. Oh yeah, by the way, next up is tomorrow I'm going to try to get some leaf stuff going. I'm going to try to use this and take some videos and stuff and see how it works and holds up. Thanks.